Let's discuss second question in important questions. In the given figure, PA and PB are tangents to the circle with center O. If angle APB equal to 60 degrees, then calculate angle AOB. Okay, this is the given figure. Here given PA and PB are tangents to the circle with center O. If angle APB equal to 60 degrees, then calculate angle OAB, this angle. Okay, write given data. This is the given data. Here we need to find angle OAB. Okay. See this figure. Here PA are tangents to the circle from an external point P. Okay. According to theorem 10.2, lengths of a tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. Okay. According to theorem 10.2, lengths of a tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. So PA equal to PB. Okay. Here PA and PB are tangents drawn from an external point P. PA equal to PB according to theorem 10.2. See this figure. Here we get an isosceles triangle. See, here PA equal to PB. It means two sides are equal in triangle APB. Here we have one triangle. APB is one triangle. In triangle, two sides are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. From triangle PAB, PA equal to PB. So it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. In isosceles triangle, two angles also equal. Okay. Opposite angles are equal for equal sides. PA opposite angle is angle ABP and PA opposite angle is angle PAB. Okay. This angle and this angle. This is suppose this is angle 1. This is angle 2. Okay. Here angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Opposite angles are equal for equal sides in an isosceles triangle. Okay. Sum of angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Here angle 1 plus angle 60 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 60 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 minus 60. How much? 120 degrees. Here angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay. In place of angle 2 we can write angle 1. Angle 1 plus angle 1. 2 times of angle 1 equal to 120 degrees. 60 times to get 120. Therefore angle 1 equal to 60 degrees, which is equal to angle 2. Okay, here angle 1 equal to this angle equal to 60 degrees. Okay, here PA is the tangent to the circle and OA is radius of the circle. We know theorem 10.1, radius and tangent perpendicular to each other through the point of contact. Okay, here OA is perpendicular to PA through the point of contact at A. Okay, here PA is perpendicular to OA. Why? Radius and tangent perpendicular to each other through the point of contact. Okay, so angle OAP equal to 90 degrees. Angle OAP, total angle of A, equal to 90 degrees. We know angle 1 is 60. Here we have to find angle OAB. Okay, remaining angle is 90 minus 60. Okay, here angle OAB. Therefore angle OAB equal to 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, angle OAP minus angle BAP. Okay, 90 minus 60, which is equal to 30 degrees. Okay.